Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag. This little device is an absolute game changer for keeping track of your most valuable items, making it one of the best electronics for 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding capability, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. If your AirTag is nearby, your iPhone can literally point you to its exact location with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. It's like a personalized radar for your lost stuff. Setting it up is ridiculously easy. Just one tap with your iPhone, and you're ready to go. And don't worry about it getting wet or dusty. With its IP67 water and dust resistance, AirTag is built to withstand everyday adventures. The seamless integration with the Apple Find My network, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide, means you can even track items far away, a feature unmatched by most competitors. If you're ready to experience stress-free tracking, click the link in the description to buy your Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. Seriously, this isn't just another gadget, it's an essential tool that gives you back precious time and prevents those heart-stopping moments. For anyone looking for the ultimate item tracker in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have purchase.